Turn your leftover chicken tikka into these amazing crispy pinwheels in just a few steps. Here's what you need. Simple and budget-friendly. Flour for the dough, boiled potatoes, leftover chicken tikka, and a few spices for a perfect filling. First, mix flour, oil, salt, and ajwain. Knead into a tight dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. Mash your boiled potatoes and mix and chop chicken tikka, green chili, coriander, salt, red chili, and crushed coriander seeds. If you want the complete chicken tikka Boti recipe, it's available on my channel. Check the link in the description below. Roll your dough into a large flat sheet. Spread the potato and chicken filling evenly, leaving a small border. Carefully roll the dough into a tight log and seal the edge with a little water. Now cut your roll into half-inch slices and gently press to shape perfect pinwheel. Fry the pinwheels in medium flame until they turn golden and crispy. Perfect texture inside and out. Serve your crispy chicken aloo pinwheels immediately with chutney or ketchup. Like Subscribe for more easy recipes.